Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ajax G here. I'm just going to show off the Evo Crush All Is Love. I seen this all over Facebook. I loved how the colors look and I ended up getting it. Of course, I watched one of my favorite YouTubers, Flossie Carter, best reviews ever of the regular Evo Crush, and I was like, yeah, I think I'm gonna get this. So this is how the carrying pouch look, which I think is so nice. Like, usually I like a hard shell carrying case, but I like where Skullcandy went with this. So this is how the back looks. Well, the top. Inside you get a aux cable, okay, 3.5 millimeter, and you also get a charging cable, no brick though. So it's USB-C to USB-A, like it's 2023. It should have been USB-C to USB-C, but it's okay. And this is the little warranty thing that it comes with. It comes with 1 year. So once you unsnap it, this is what it looks like. Now, I thought it was going to be more white, but it's more like a white gray. I don't even know how to describe this color, but this is how it looks. And the material that it is, it's plastic, but it's like a soft, I don't even know how to explain it, but this is how it looks on the top. It has a nice cloth on the top. The sides is like, I want to say like a soft leather. I don't know if it's real genuine leather. The head part right there, that's rubber. The ear cushions are like, again, it's like a soft leather. I hope these don't fall apart because I definitely didn't buy the 3-year insurance, and I will be tight if they start falling apart at the 3-year mark. So this is how they look. The neon button on the left ear cup, that's the power button. The blue shift part is the bass changer on the left ear cup. You put it up for the most bass, or you put it down and you don't have as much bass. So this is the app. As soon as you sync it to your phone, it actually tells you to download the Skullcandy app, which is dope. And then this is more of the user guide on this part of the app. So I think that's really cool. And you can register your product straight from the app. So thank God. It tells you what level it is, and you can turn up the volume straight from the app. So I'm going to show you how it sounds with some tunes. I don't know how to dance, looking late. Make the ghetto bitch put the hands on their knees. Make the ghetto bitch put the hands on their knees. Make the ghetto bitch put the hands on their knees. Yeah. I don't know how to dance, looking late. Make the ghetto bitch put the hands on their knees. Make the ghetto bitch put the hands on their knees. Make the ghetto bitch put the hands on their knees. Yeah. Call the fire man, she a hot girl. Put her out. Oh, I just broke a sweat in the bitch. Get the towel. She said nothing could happen to them. It's a trial. I took her, put her ass in the hell. Take her down. Go get time out, you were mad. Just take me a spot with the ad. Okay, so as you see, it is ridiculous. The center button is to play and pause, pick up. The top is to go forward, and the bottom is to go back. If you press this for 2 seconds, it'll activate your Siri or Google Assist. This is the charging port, and that is the aux cable port. This is the case. It's a nice soft on the inside, and you can actually peel this off so you can have the color under it, but I'm going to just leave it on for now. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. It was a quick review. Ajax out.